Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design.
Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here with you, wearing map tie. Let's talk about week 5. The theme is map elements, color, type, and symbols. Map elements, color, type, and symbols. That's kind of a lot for this week, but I know that you're just doing a great job and you're just going to be able to jump right into this. First of all, some core elements on maps. Color, blending different layers on maps. Symbols, how do we represent a tree, a shrub, a housing unit, a eco-region on a map? So symbols are important. More on that later this semester as well. Reference features, legend design, map keys or map legends, and an introduction to typography. How do we show names and letters on maps? Our hands-on activities in week 5 are going to be as follows. We're going to use Color Brewer, one of the best tools I know of, to look at color choices on maps. Color is a big deal on maps. Point mapping, color and symbology, raw numbers, ratio, and relationship maps. I love these relationship maps, and I hope you do too. This really shows the power of mapping. Labeling features, that's important on mapping. And finally, some hands-on work with blending different layers. That is our goal for week 5. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it valuable. I will see you in week 5. But before I do, you've lost that mapping feeling. Whoa, that mapping feeling. You've lost that mapping feeling 'cause it's gone, gone, gone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I hope you don't lose that mapping feeling. We'll see you in week 5.